Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Today we have a new trick for you. Trick is that one. What is the value of a and b if the exponent of 2 exponent of a plus 2 exponent of b plus 2 exponent of c is equal to 148? What is the value of a is unknown and b is unknown and c is also unknown. If the condition is if a less than b less than c. What is the value of a and b? How we calculate this value? Look here, the bases of this term are same. It means that to the right side we get the value of the base must be 2. So first of all we factorize this term 148 according to factorization process. First of all we write this terms 2 exponent of a plus 2 exponent of b plus 2 exponent of c is equal to, we can write 148. We factorize this term, 2 multiply by 7 we get 14, 2 multiply by 4 8. Similarly 2 multiply by 3 we get 6. 1 is 2 multiplied by 7, 37. So we write this term, the factorization of 148, 2 into 2 and 237. According to this factorization process, look here, we bring here the first term is 2 exponent of 8. Means that if we multiply this term or divide by 2 exponent of a, 2 exponent of a, so this will be cancelled to each other, there will be no effect on the question. So 2 exponent of b plus 2 exponent of c is equal to this one. So the first term is 2 exponent of a. For this reason we are multiply and divide it, so we will get the required answer of a. Now similarly, and the next process we will do 2 exponent of b, multiply and divide by the same term. We continue the process. Here the bases are same, so we take the exponent. Here power is 1 1, so in case of product or multiplication, so we add the power and we take one base and exponent are added, so we 2 exponent 2 and 237. Now this term is divided by each of these values, so we can write 2 exponent of a, 2 exponent of a plus 2 exponent of b plus 2 exponent of c is divided by 2 exponent of a is equal to 2 exponent of 237. Similarly, look here, if we divide this term by each value of in the brackets, so 2 exponent of a, 2 exponent of a divided by 2 exponent of a plus 2 exponent of b, 2 exponent of a plus 2 exponent of c divided by 2 exponent of a. Each term is divided by this term, so 2 exponent of 237. On this process we continue, so both are cancelled to each other. 2 exponent of a 1 plus, here the bases are same. According to the division or quotient rule are applied here, we take the base 1 base and subtract the power b minus a, plus here bases are same. We here again quotient rule are used or division rule are used here. So once again c minus e, bases are same, so we subtract the power. Now look here, the whole term in the brackets are looking is in odd number. How we get this odd number? If we put the value of a and c, we get the whole number, we get odd number. And here if you check, similarly here this is 2 power exponent is 2, this is an even number, so we get 4. And here 37 is also an odd number. Similarly, look here, if we 2 power exponent of a, if we give the value of a is equal to 1, we get 2. If we put the value of a is equal to 2, so we get 4, so that is also an even number. According to the equality sign, a symbol is present here, so we compare the even number to the even number and odd number compared to the odd number. In this even number with the even number, 2 exponent of a is equal to, here is the even number is 2 exponent of 2. Now here the bases are same, here bases are same, bases are same or equal, so we take an exponent. Exponent or power. So we get here the value of a is equal to 2. One result we get according to the a less than b less than c is required. Now if we compare the odd number of the same question of odd number, so odd number is that 1 plus 2 exponent of b minus a and plus 2 exponent of c minus a is equal to 37. Odd number is compared to the odd number. Now if we have already done the value of a, we put here replace in replace of a we put the value of a, and also this is constant and this is constant, we change this value to the right side, so the sign is changed. 2b minus, in replace of a we put 2 plus 2c minus 2 is equal to 37 minus 1, sorry 37 minus 1, we get here 36. Now if we separate this one's b exponent of 2 and to b exponent of 2 power minus 2, we can write separate this one on the product rule, we separate this one, and here 2 power c and 2 power minus 2 is equal to 36. Now we change this value to power b, 2 power b divided by, we can write 2 power 2 plus 2 power c divided by 2 power 2 is equal to 36. Continue the process. Look here, we get here 2 power b divided by 4, 2 ka square, 2 square we get 2 power c and 2 square 4 is equal to 36 of each term of both sides. So 2 power c into 4 is equal to 4 into 36. Now both are cancelled, this one and 4 are cancelled. 2 power b plus 2 power c is equal to 4, we can write 2 power 2, and 4 multiplied by 9 we can write 4 into 9. So here look here, we take the base in the multiplication process, we take the power exponent, the power, we add the power. 2 power b plus 2 power c is equal to 2 power 4 into 9. Now once again we are applied the same rule on the this plan. 2b power b, if we divide 2 power b and 2 power b divide by this term, so there will be no effect on the question. 2 power 9, 2 power 4 into 9. Now this term is divided by, on the brackets we apply 2 power b and to 2 power b divided by 2 power b plus 2 power c divided by 2 power b into 2 power 4 into 9. Now if this are cancelled to each other, 2 power b and to 1 plus, so we can use here the exponent rule, c minus b is equal to 2 power 4 into 9. Once again on the above, oh look here the same, here we get here the odd values and here even values. 2 power 4 we get 16 and here this 9 is an odd number. Similarly 2 power b is an even number. Compare even number to the compare of even numbers and odd number to compare to the odd number. So 2 power b is equal to 2 power 4. Here once again the bases are same, so we take the power. B value as 2, 4. Now continue the process. Now we are finding the value of C. Now 1 plus 2 power C minus B is equal to 9. Here we get the value of 1 plus 2 power C minus 4. In the place of we put the value of B is equal to 4, 9. So we change this result to here, right side. Here the symbol is positive. If we transfer to the right side, so the sign is also changed. C minus 4 equal to minus 1. So we get is equal to 8. Now continue the process. 2C minus 4 is equal to 8. Now separate this one. 2 power C and 2 power minus 4 is equal to, here we can write 2 power 3, because 8 we can write 2 into 2 into 2, so we can write 2 power 3. Now we finish this video because we are required 2 power C. Dividing both sides by 2 power minus 4, we are required here multiply 2 power minus 4 and 2 power 3 divided by 2 power minus 4. Both are cancelled to each other. Now 2 power C is equal to, here bases are same according to the exponent or division rule. So we are applied here minus 4. So 2 power 3 plus 4 minus into minus plus, we get bases are same here once again. So we take the exponent. So C is equal to 7. So we get here the value of A is equal to 7. Now according to the given condition, we have applied B less than C. Here A we get the result of B, we get 4 is less than 7 less than, and here the value of, so that is the required interval of A and B, which is the required value of A and B. Thank you very much for watching. Appreciate your advance. Please subscribe my channel.